Hi everyone, today I'll show you the top 5 AI tools every program manager should start using in 2025. These tools can save hours of manual work in reporting, MOM creation, project tracking, and even stakeholder communication. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT, GPT-5. ChatGPT is like your smart project assistant. It can summarize meeting notes, draft professional emails, and even suggest actions based on risk logs or delays. I often upload Excel trackers here to get quick insights. It's that powerful. Two, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is the real game changer if you're using Office tools. It creates dashboards in Excel, drafts PowerPoint decks from Teams notes, and even writes follow-up emails automatically. Three, Notion AI. If you're tired of scattered notes and files, Notion AI can turn your project pages into living documents. It auto-summarizes updates, creates action items, and keeps your CFT aligned. Four, ClickUp AI, Asana Intelligence. These tools analyze your project timeline and automatically highlight risks or overdue tasks. No need to manually track. The AI tells you what's slipping and what needs escalation. Five, Tome AI, Beautiful.ai. Need to impress management? Just type your project summary in Tome AI, and it creates stunning slides with visuals and animations. So, these were my top 5 AI tools for program managers in 2025. If you want me to show a live demo of any tool, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI plus project management insights.
Thanks for watching to our channel, Simply Tech Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe.